Hi, it's Dave from Driver Head School of Motoring. In today's video we're looking at how to deal with Talke Roundabout, making a right turn. If you look at the sign here, it says Talke at the top and Congleton A34 is the exit we're coming up to. This is a roundabout that comes up on the Cobridge test route sometimes. Now what makes it a little bit different is as we leave we're going to make a right turn at the roundabout, but we're actually going to use the left lane. Now the reason for that is the road markings tell us we can do so. As we get to the roundabout, we can either turn left, which is the A34 south, or we can turn right, which is the A34 north. Now as we leave on the slip road, you're going to see some road markings, and we'll pause it there just a second. So as we leave, we come straight to that left hand side, and we're going to pause in a second just to see these road markings. So if we look here on the ground, A34 north and A34 south can use the left lane, and A34 north is right only. So what you'll find is you'll have cars coming up alongside you on the right hand side, and you're both going to take the same exit. Now we will signal right, but we'll leave it quite late because we don't want to give the impression we're changing lanes to the right, so probably about now, just as we're reaching it. Now normally the traffic lights control the traffic here, but they're not working on the day we record this, so it's giving way to the right. Now because we're approaching that left lane, we've got to stay left all the way around the outside of the roundabout. Cars in your right lane on the approach would be staying on the right. Now as we exit, it goes from 2 lanes to 1 lane quite quickly, so it's important you keep an eye on your right mirror watching cars that are trying to overtake you. So the exit's coming up now, staying to the left still, and we exit up ahead, keeping left, a little check on your right mirror now, looking for anyone overtaking as it narrows down into 1 lane. Now I hope that helps. It's good to get out there, just practice these junctions. So there are things that come up on your test, and if you're not familiar with them, they can trip you up. Why not like and subscribe to our YouTube channel? It's youtube.com/driverheadsom, and you get all these videos straight to your inbox. If there's any videos in particular you'd like to see, any junctions you're struggling with, let us know in the comments and we'll do our best to help.